Firstly, oops. Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Katladi Akanksha. This is the first video of Katladi Diwali series. And yes, it was a long break. I had no videos going up on my channel, but you guys, I was breaking out right, left and center. I was not having a face to film a video, so yeah, pardon me for that. And actually along with that, I was sick, I was not well, so yeah, there was a long gap, but we are back and I am so damn excited for today's video because along with Diwali, this is actually the fall season and I love fall. I love the whole fall vibe. It makes me feel really good and really cozy. So yeah, this look that we are going to be creating in today's video, as you know already, it is a fall inspired chocolate latte, hot chocolate kind of a look, and I hope you guys are gonna like it. And if you do, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and also share it with your friends. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Also, if you guys might be wondering why is my hair looking so damn short, that's because I did have a haircut and I chopped off quite a few inches by myself at home using my brother's trimmer. So yeah, just FYI. I am going to be using this aloe vera gel by Face Shop, and because of its consistency, it works as a beautiful primer. So I'll just take a little amount of this and use it all over my face. Just the tiniest amount. So firstly, as usual, I am going to be doing my eye makeup. So for that, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'll just dot it a little on my eyelids, then blend it with a brush. I will use the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette because it has some amazing shades which are perfect for a fall makeup look. So let's dig in. I'll take this shade as my transition shade. Just a little bit on my brush, fluffy blending brush. So as you guys can see, I'm just packing the color on my crease and then lightly blending it upwards. And that's just what we are doing currently. Then taking this deep chocolatey brown shade, I'm darkening the outer corners. Just a little bit now, and I think we'll cut the crease today. So yeah. Also, you guys, Plum has launched 3 new products. Like, wow. And one of them is a lip balm, the another one is a body scrub and a body oil. So amazing. I have already placed my order for the body oil, which is in the Hawaiian Rumba variant. You can tell already that I will definitely go for that. Okay, so this is how it is looking so far. Now I'm gonna cut the crease, and for that again I am gonna go with my concealer, taking the tiniest amount, otherwise it is gonna get very messy. So I am a bit confused with what shade to use for the lids, but I think that I'm gonna go with an orange shade. I think that is gonna look good. Okay, so let's just go with this shimmery orangey brownie kind of a shade for the lids. I'll just pack it on my lids, and that's gonna be it for the eyes. The pigmentation is kind of okay with the applicator brush, but I'm not sure though that if this is the max pigmentation that I can get out of it. So let's use my finger instead. Oh my god, you guys, it is so much better with the finger. Okay, so the glitter is done and I'm loving the eye look. And now just going in with the chocolatey shade again. Okay, so the eye makeup is pretty much done. I just need to do the rest of my face now. And yes, I did take off my nail extensions because those were bothering me like hell. Okay, so yeah, coming back to the look, I'll be using again the Fit Me concealer. And yes, you guys, you can tell already that I have been breaking out like hell of lately, and so I was not filming any videos because irritated skin में और makeup करके उसके बाद I need to double cleanse and triple cleanse, and all these harsh treatment was not needed for my skin. So I took kind of a break because anyway I was having a very hectic schedule because of the Ket Lighting Navratri series. Also, you guys, I am using a new foundation today, like a new shade from Fit Me. It is 228 soft tan. Now I feel that my skin is my skin has olive undertones, and none of the Fit Me foundations have olive undertone in my opinion, so that's a bummer for me. I know MAC, NARS and these couple of brands have some amazing olive undertone foundations, but for me to gamble with these is not even a choice because these are hell of an expensive, so I will not want to waste my money on a 3000 or 4000 rupees wala foundation, and then if it ends up not matching my shade, I'll be devastated. So yeah, instead I just got a bit of a darker shade than warm nude, which is soft tan. However, I feel that it is darker than my skin tone, but it kind of works, you know. And also I got the new packaging, so it has a pump, so very convenient to use. And just pump it on my face, just a little here and there. You can see I'm dotting the tiniest dot I can ever make. So going in with my foundation brush, I'll blend it. Even though the shade is darker than my skin tone, but on camera I think it looks really good on me for some reason. So yeah, I'm liking this shade. Okay, so the base is almost done. I'm gonna be setting it lightly with this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Now I'm gonna be doing my brows, and for that I will use my Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, just sharpening it because it was very blunt. It's sharp now. I have lightly filled in my brows so that these look very full and very natural. And this eyebrow pencil that I'm using from Miss Claire, you guys, it is really good. It is very inexpensive but does the job pretty well. And now I'm just trying to blend in the chocolatey brown shade that I had put on the outer corners and the glitter shade that I had put on the lids so that these look diffused together. Now I'm using a new blush. It is the Sugar Mini The Force blush if I'm not wrong, and it is in the shade Salmon Superstar. It's like a very beautiful reddish oranges corally kind of a shade, and I'm really loving this. Then I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter to highlight my face. I'm using it in the shade Molten Gold, and this looks really amazing, you guys. Now I'm taking my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara and coating my lashes generously. Of lately I'm not wearing falsies, and that's because this mascara gives an illusion of wearing false lashes. So yeah, if you can get falsies wala look without using falsies, just with a mascara, who won't want that, right? I'm using this Blue Heaven non-transfer lip shade. It is in the shade Dark Chocolate, and it's gonna go amazingly well with the look along with my outfit. And I think that is about the look. So yes, see people, this is how the look came out to be. It's a very glossy, dewy, chocolatey mocha kind of a look, and I'm really crushing over this. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the tutorial and the look as well. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about it. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do right now. And also press the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. And I'll see you with another video. Until then, this is me, Akansha, signing off. Bye.